Zinski here. Welcome to another episode of Gamez. Here we have the first look at the Marvel Studios Heroes Happy Meal toys for October 2020. Check it out. Release date of October 6th, 2020. You got 9 toys in total. Here you're looking at the official McDonald's store display. And if you appreciate me leaking this display first on the internet, please smash that like button and subscribe if you're not already. I bring you the first look at the toys every month for over a year now. Gamez. That's right, it's me, Zinski. Falcon, number 1, Winter Soldier 2, Vision 3, Scarlet Witch 4, Potted Groot 5, Gladiator Hulk 6, The Wasp 7, Hulkbuster 8, and Black Widow 9. And if you want to support the channel, you can pre-order these figures on my eBay store. Visit it now. The link is below. Thanks again for watching Gamez. Make sure and subscribe, and until next time, Zinski out!